Budget-friendly wooden crafts have become a surprisingly powerful entry point for countless people who once believed woodworking was a skill reserved for seasoned carpenters, master joiners, or those with expensive workshops filled with specialized tools. In today's world, where creative expression, sustainable living, and practical income opportunities often intersect, the appeal of accessible, low-cost woodworking projects has grown stronger than ever. These kinds of projects are not only inexpensive to start, but also forgiving for beginners, encouraging those with little to no prior experience to take their first confident steps into the woodworking world. Hello there, dear viewers. Today we will show you a collection of easy, budget-friendly woodworking craft projects design ideas for beginners to start today. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. When someone realizes they can turn a piece of salvaged wood into a charming shelf, a rustic picture frame, or a small planter box without formal training or large investments, the joy and satisfaction are both immediate and addictive. It sparks a chain reaction of creativity, with each completed piece becoming a source of pride, motivation, and learning for the next project. The rise of social media and online marketplaces has only amplified this trend, offering beginners a platform to share their creations and receive encouragement from a global audience. A simple, low-cost wooden craft made in the corner of a kitchen table can be photographed, shared online, and appreciated by people across the world within hours. That visibility not only boosts the maker's confidence, but can also open doors to turning a hobby into a profitable side business. Many small woodworking entrepreneurs have started exactly this way, testing their skills with affordable materials, refining their techniques through trial and error, and slowly building both a product line and a customer base without incurring debt or risking major losses. Beyond the personal satisfaction and financial possibilities, budget-friendly wooden crafts also offer a meaningful connection to sustainable living. In an age when overconsumption and disposable goods dominate the marketplace, crafting with inexpensive or reclaimed wood sends a quiet but powerful message. Creativity and resourcefulness can replace waste. Beginners who choose to work with salvaged would not only save money, but also help reduce the demand for new raw materials, cutting down on deforestation and waste generation. This environmental consciousness often becomes a source of pride in itself, allowing woodworkers to create with a sense of purpose and responsibility. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. The process of taking something that might otherwise be thrown away and transforming it into a functional or decorative item taps into an ancient and universal human satisfaction, breathing new life into materials and leaving a personal mark on them. For many, this sustainability mindset becomes a permanent part of their woodworking journey, shaping the way they select projects, source materials, and present their finished pieces to the world. Another reason budget-friendly wooden crafts are so empowering for beginners is that they offer tangible, visible progress almost immediately. Unlike larger, more complex woodworking projects that can take weeks or months to complete, small-scale affordable crafts can often be finished in a single afternoon. This quick turnaround provides instant gratification, which is essential for maintaining motivation in any new skill. When you can hold a finished piece in your hands and see the transformation from raw material to functional object within hours, it fuels excitement for the next creation. This constant cycle of making, completing, and improving fosters an organic learning process, where each project naturally builds upon the skills acquired in the last. Over time, the beginner's confidence grows, and with it, the courage to take on slightly more challenging designs or experiment with new techniques, all without losing the grounding principle of affordability and accessibility. In addition to their simplicity and low cost, budget-friendly wooden crafts also carry a deeply personal touch that mass-produced items can never replicate. Every piece bears subtle signs of the maker's hand, the slightly uneven edges, the unique grain patterns of the wood, the choice of finish, and these small details tell a story. For the creator, Each finished project becomes a reflection of their mood, creativity, and evolving skill level at the time it was made. For the recipient, whether a customer or a gift recipient, the item holds a sense of authenticity and human connection that is increasingly rare in a world of machine-perfect uniformity. This human element often becomes a selling point, with buyers seeking out handmade wooden goods precisely because they embody personality and craftsmanship. Beginners, in turn, find motivation in knowing that even their earliest works carry emotional value that resonates with others. Moreover, the learning process itself becomes a source of joy and community. Budget-friendly woodworking projects often inspire sharing, not just of the finished items, but of the journey to create them. Online forums, local maker groups, and community workshops thrive on this culture of exchange, where beginners can post pictures of their progress, ask for advice, and offer encouragement to others just starting out. This collaborative spirit breaks down the intimidation factor that woodworking once had and replaces it with an open, supportive atmosphere. The accessibility of budget-friendly projects means that people from all walks of life, students, retirees, parents, or busy professionals, can participate without feeling out of place or financially burdened. It creates an environment where creativity is measured not by the size of your workshop or the sophistication of your tools, but by your willingness to start and your passion to keep going. The emotional rewards of budget-friendly wooden crafts extend far beyond the craft itself. For many beginners, the act of working with their hands offers a welcome escape from the digital noise and fast pace of modern life. The rhythmic motions of sanding, the satisfying feel of smooth wood under the fingers, the scent of freshly cut timber, all these sensory experiences ground the maker in the present moment, offering a form of mindfulness that is both calming and energizing. This meditative quality of woodworking becomes a key reason why many stick with it, even as their skills improve and their projects grow in ambition. And because the projects remain affordable, the maker never feels pressured to produce purely for profit. They can create for the sake of enjoyment, personal expression, or connection with others, knowing that even small, inexpensive pieces can hold great meaning. Financially, the potential of budget-friendly woodworking crafts should not be underestimated. While the startup costs are low, the selling price of well-made handmade items can be surprisingly high, particularly when they are marketed with a strong personal story or tied to trends in home decor, sustainability, or personalized gifting. Platforms like Etsy, local craft fairs, and social media marketplaces have made it easier than ever for beginners to test the market without major investments. A simple reclaimed wood shelf or hand-painted wooden sign might cost only a few dollars in materials, but could sell for several times that amount, especially if it appeals to niche tastes or incorporates customization. Over time, this can evolve into a steady income stream, either supplementing a main job or even becoming the foundation for a small business. And because the projects are small and affordable, there is little financial risk if an item doesn't sell immediately. It can be gifted, repurposed, or kept as part of the maker's own home decor. Ultimately, budget-friendly wooden crafts represent far more than an easy way to get started in woodworking. They symbolize a shift in how people view creativity, consumption, and self-reliance. By lowering the barriers to entry, they invite more people to experience the unique satisfaction of making something with their own hands, something that reflects their personality, serves a functional purpose, and perhaps even generates a profit. They encourage experimentation, foster community, and connect people to both tradition and sustainability in ways that resonate deeply in our current age. Most importantly, they prove that woodworking doesn't have to be an elite or expensive pursuit. It can be as simple as picking up a piece of scrap wood, a few basic tools, and the willingness to try. For those who take that first step, the journey often leads to more than just a new hobby. It can open doors to personal fulfillment, artistic growth, and even a new way of life built on creativity, resourcefulness, and the enduring beauty of wood. Well, dear viewers, thanks for watching our today's content. If you're ready to transform your space or start your next build, stick with us. Subscribe for more design-focused woodworking inspiration delivered in calm, faceless style. We'll see you again with more beauty in every frame. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.